Good day, everyone. My name is Jivitra Nagalingam, and my group members are Nagasubhashini Samrajan and Varshini Jayarajan are here to present our case study 1 presentation. Topic: Marketing Concept and Trends. Question 1. Club Pemuda is a local youth organization supported solely by the donations of individuals and the local community. Its co-founder Hamid and Nasrul are considering launching a website to promote upcoming events and raise money for a new gym. Their good friend Omar has volunteered to develop a website which they feel will help promote their efforts. Question A. Discuss 3 benefits of website to the youth club. The website may benefit the youth club in various ways. The website may be able to remain open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Having a website means people around all always be able to find the Club Promoter organization anytime and anywhere. Even outside of the business hour, their website continues to find and secure new donors. It offers the user convenience as they can access the information they need in the comfort of their own home with no added pressure. For a generation as internet savvy as ours, it is obvious how a few hits can significantly change awareness on the World Wide Web. Second, having website giving opportunity to increase donation of club promoter organization, which gives chance for the contribution of more helping hands. Donation are most important key of a functioning the local youth organization, and website can help you with that. Millions on millions of people use the internet every day. A professional website will share your cost effectively and draw people willing to help. The website forms a direct, secure, and even anonymized platform to preview individual to contact club promoter organization. Some people do not like direct confrontation, especially in the age of anonymity, and the website is a very convenient way for people such to contact and contribute to causes. Third, a website of club promoter organization will be legitimacy and expressed as a real local youth organization. The website helps club promoter organization to look more professional in the eyes of your donors and partners. They can verify an existence of the organization by looking at the information on the site. At the very least, the website can provide other with up-to-date contact details and an address for the organization. The website can features information about the organization, an overview of the project and programs they conduct, updates, reports, promote upcoming events, and may even be able to gather donations. Question B. Give other type of consideration should Omar implement to support the success of their new website. Other types of contribution should Omar implement to support the success of new website is a clean, proper arrangement design. A quality design is attractive and easy to read with the intuitive navigation. Most importantly, a clean design helps viewers focus on the value of the club Moodle organization main goal and content instead of distracting graphics and large amounts of text. Hence, a clean design is vital to providing a positive user experience that encourages customers to return. Next, my group member Varshni Jagarajan will continue on.
Thank you, Jivita Nagalingam. Now I will explain. Question C is explain about below tools or methods that are necessary to deploy an effective online marketing campaign that Omar can include in their website. First, landing pages. Omar can include landing pages in their website because landing pages are static pages that serve a door to the website. These pages are usually ones in which individuals, which is user, land on as a result of the original action of clicking on an ad and marketing promotion, marketing email or marketing promotion. Landing pages also refers to as a lead capture page or destination page. Landing pages can allow club Bermuda organization to direct their leads to conversion by strategically positioning call to action elements such as links, forms, buttons, and other website elements. A landing page is frequently one of the first original points of contact between the user and the color promoter organization can to optimize this page in order to amplify the chances for conversion. Second is influencer marketing. OMA can include influencer marketing method in their website to deploy an effective online marketing campaign because influencer marketing can build organization awareness for Kala Pemuda. Building as a real local youth organization in online can be measured with follower count, likes, and engagement like comments, use of your hashtags, and shares. Other than that, having influencer marketing also can attract a new target. Attracting a new target encompasses getting leads for more donors and partners. Question 2. Reading about great content marketing is not enough to truly understand how it works. Instead, you have to see it in action to grasp its fundamental value. Because when content is really good, it can do amazing things. Videos are the hottest content type right now. The stats are staggering. According to social media today, by 2021, videos will grab 82% of all internet traffic. Every single day, over 500 million hours of video is consumed on YouTube. Question A. Give three reasons people choose video as a choice for them to get information about product, service, and etc. First, video builds trust and credibility. Video is the perfect way to create a personality for your company and your brand, enabling you to connect with your viewer and earn their trust. 90% of users say that product videos are helpful in the decision process. The more videos you have to help educate and inform your customers, the more you will build on that foundation of trust and translate to sales. Second, video marketing can explain everything. Create a video to show how it works. 98% of users say that they have watched an explainer video to learn more about a product or service. That is why 45% of businesses who use video marketing say that they have an explainer video on their homepage. Of those businesses, 83% said that their homepage explainer video was effective. Trying to explain a difficult concept, create animated videos. Animation can bring concept to life that no text or live video can. Besides, boring talking heads are not enough anymore to break through the clutter. Animated videos are a perfect combination of entertainment, nostalgia, and simplicity, and they work. Third is videos engage more viewers. Not only videos snatch people's consideration, but they moreover keep it. Videos are one of the foremost engaging mediums people are able to utilize. They strike a profound connection and inspire solid emotional reactions that make them to share, comment, and like. Videos get 1000 to 100% more offers than content and pictures combined. People adore sharing content on social media, and more importantly, individuals love sharing videos. If made right, videos can take data and make it simple to interpret in a brief amount of time. Next, my group member Naga Subhashni will continue on.
Thank you, Varshni Jagarajan. Question B. Give 3 tips or method to make sure your video can attract your customer. Videos should create briefly and informative. Short, engaging videos are the most perfect way to display information about your products and services to your customer. Videos include a human touch to the information you are giving. They present your products off to gatherings of people, leading them to consider buying your products. Profession videos are an opportunity to set up your brand on an advanced scale. They spread mindfulness about company culture and offer assistance commerce pickup more consideration. They presently may consider your trade proactive and committed to catering to the special requirements of distinctive customers by giving secure information in a curious way. Make beyond any doubt your videos are not too long since viewers will lose interest. Videos beneath 2 minutes have the most noteworthy engagement level. Upload your video to video hosting platforms, for example, YouTube. We should post videos on several different platforms to expand your reach. This ensures maximum exposure for your product or service. Videos are also giving existing customers the chance to view demonstration of product they have purchased. Demonstration videos help customers understand the best way to use your product. YouTube has 1.9 billion monthly users, and it is a great place for business to expand their videos reach. We can include additional information and resources in the video description to add more value for customer. We can add captions and subtitles to our videos. If we want a lot of people to watch our video and understand its value, then it's in your best interest to add captions and subtitles to your videos. Captions and subtitles simply refer to those words written and displayed or scrolling at the bottom of a video or television screen while playing. While captions are transcripts of the audio and are created for those with hearing challenges, subtitles are translation of the audio for those who can hear but may not understand the language or the speaker's accent. Question 3. Both text and Facebook, however, have limitations when it comes to selling. Identify one limitation of texting in business marketing. Limitation of texting in business marketing is our message has to be short. We do not have much space to get your message across. People respond negatively to unwanted texts. Make sure you have their permission to send them text and that our SMS marketing complies with the privacy and data protection rules. People are wary of responding to SMS messages due to an increase in fraudulent messages. Thank you. That's all from us.